Alright, for this video I teach you really nice no setup card trick. And now I take 4 cards, maybe 4 king. King number 1, king number 2, king number 3 and 4. Alright, look, I take 4 king. It's really true. And now spectator take 3 cards. Maybe this, maybe this, maybe this. It's really 3 cards. King of spades, 3 of hearts and 10 of spades. And now I shuffle these cards, maybe like this, maybe shuffle like this. Right. And now I take this 4 king. It's really true. Look, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's really 4 king. It's really true. And now snap my finger, 1 king vanish. It's really true. 1, 2, 3 king. This is king of clubs, king of spades, king of diamonds. It's really 3 king. Snap my finger and 1 king vanish. It's really unbelievable. Look, king of diamonds, king of spades, 1 king vanish. And now of course king of spades. Now I shake it, king of spades and king of spades vanish. Wow, look, 4 king vanish. It's really true. No king. It's unbelievable. All right, and now snap my finger and 4 king, search 3 cards. Wow, it's really amazing because this 10 of spades, this 3 of hearts and this queen of spades. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice card trick. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe share this video, why not, maybe your friend magician, it's really nice. And now subscribe to my channel. So it's really unbelievable card trick, it's really education magic, it's really education card magic, it's really sleight of hand, it's really no setup. Let's go. Alright, for this trick you take this deck and take 4 cards, maybe 10, maybe ace, maybe 5, maybe king. I take 4 king, king number 1, king number 2, number 3 and number 4. It's really 3, 4 king. It's really no force, yes. So the next step, spectator take 3 cards. Maybe this, maybe this, maybe this. It's really 3, it's not force. The next step, you turn over this deck and show us these 3 cards. This is 9 of hearts, queen of diamonds and ace of clubs. The next step, you squeeze these cards like this. You squeeze these cards like this. And now you use this pile, drop it like this. And now you take this pile and take these 3 cards. Alright? Look. And now you make a shuffle like this. Of course, you control this card top of the deck. I repeat. Spectator take any cards, maybe her, and maybe her. It's really free, turn over. Remember these cards, 3 of clubs, king of diamonds, 4 of spades. It's really true, it's not force, it's really true. Take these 3 cards, drop it this pile like this. Take this pile and take these 3 cards, alright? And now you make a shuffle like this, and this pile drop it, alright? And now these 3 cards, here, this is 3 of clubs, king of diamonds, and 4 of spades. Alright, the next step, use this finger, count 3 cards. 1, 2, 3, and make a break and save it as your break. And now your right hand, take this 4 king. And now you take 1, 2, 3, 4 king. And next step, you take these 7 cards because you take these cards your break. This is 4 king and your 3 cards. Alright, look, take your break and show it 4 king. This is king number 1, king number 2, king number 3 and 4. You show it this 4 king like this. I repeat, 7 cards your break, take 7 cards, spades, hearts, diamonds, clubs. And now show it these cards like this. And now this king of clubs, put in her like this, covered this your king of spades, alright? And squeeze. And next step, snap your finger and show it this 3 king because 1 king vanish. Of course, your king of spades here. Alright. Next step, count this finger 2 cards. 1, 2, make a break. Show it this 3 king. Take 5 cards. 3 king and 2 your choice. 5 cards and show it 3 cards. King of clubs, king of hearts, king of diamonds. You show it this 3 cards like this. Of course, this is to your choice. I repeat. Make you break 5 cards, take 5 cards, clubs, hearts, diamonds. It's really free. And now this diamonds cover this king of clubs like this. Snap your finger and show it 1 king vanish. Of course, you king of clubs here. The next step, turn over this 2 king. Take these 3 cards. This is king of diamonds, king of hearts, and one your choice. Take these 3 cards and show it king of hearts. Take these 2 cards, drop it like this, and now you make a change. Use this finger, take these cards, make you break like this. This is your finger, alright? And now use this finger, change and vanish this king of hearts like this. It's really nice cards change. Look, king of hearts, and now king of hearts vanish. It's really visual. Look, I take this 2 king, it's really free. Make you break 1 cards, take 3 cards, 1, 2, count 1 cards, make you break, and now you make a vanishes king of hearts vanish. Wow. And next step, turn over this king of diamonds, take use this deck your right hand, and now you make a clip shift like this and shake it this pile. Alright? Alright, it's really fun. You take this deck and now you make a clip shift and shake it. Alright. Alright, next step, you make it fun and show us this deck. It's really normal deck, it's really 4 king vanish. And now turn over these cards and show us this cards really vanish. And now you make a count little pile, make a break, and now you make a turnover pass. You take this pile and turn over like this pile, turn over like this. I repeat, count little pile, and now you make it turnover pass like this. And now snap your finger and show it 4 kings center of this pile. I repeat, you 4 king here, you make it fun, 4 king vanish, 4 king really vanish, I'm sorry, flash, 4 king really vanish, count little pile, and now you make it turnover pass. Snap your finger and show it 4 king search 3 cards. Of course, you show it this 3 cards. This is 4 of spades, this is king of diamonds, and this 3 of clubs. It's really nice card tricks. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.